Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to hide your YouTube subscriber count. So let's start. First, open a browser. And go to YouTube Studio. Now click on the first link. If you see this window, then tap on Continue to Site at the bottom of the screen. And your channel dashboard will load. Now tap on the settings icon on bottom left corner. Now tap on Channel. And tap on Advanced Settings. Now scroll down. And here you will see that your subscriber count is enabled. Disable that. And your subscriber count will be hidden from everyone. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.